Are you in the market for an owner-operable family cruising vessel? I'm Mike Scalisi from HMY Yachts, and if your answer was yes, you're in the right place on board the 2017 53 Tiara Flybridge True North. The fully equipped galley on board True North is located on the main level aft. The main salon of True North is midship, and as you can see, surrounded by large windows for an open feel and tons of natural light. Now that open feel that we experienced up top translates to the lower accommodations as well, into a 3-stateroom, 2-head layout, the highlight of which is the full beam master stateroom aft. In the VIP stateroom forward, the door folds open for a wide access, and the 2 split berths will come together to accommodate a cruising couple. Welcome to the aft deck of True North. Here we have a very open social seating area. This high gloss teak table is high-low. We have these neat little ottomans that fold up and get covered. Here to starboard, we have a secondary remote joystick docking station. Here on the flybridge of the 53 Tiara True North, you have climate-controlled 2 AC systems, weather-protected isinglass enclosure, huge seating areas, wet bar, a fully equipped helm station with your joystick controls. Let's take her out for a sea trial. Thank you for joining me today aboard the 2017 53 Tiara Flybridge True North. If you have any further questions or would like to see this vessel in person, please feel free to contact me directly. My name is Mike Scalisi with HMY Yachts, and I appreciate the opportunity to earn your trust and business.